So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see Sony Bravia TV not turning on and would not turn on. Here how to fix it. So guys, if you are facing that your TV is not turning on, so there are server troubleshooting steps, so you try and resolve this problem. Okay, so guys, first of all, check your power connection. Ensure that the AC power cord is securely connected both the TV and the electric outlet. Okay, so make sure that your TV outlets as well as your TV power source, they are connected each other very well. Okay, then guys, check the outlet. Test the outlet with the another device to confirm it is functioning properly. If the outlet is faulty, switch to the different one. Okay, and guys, you also try to tap your power button. Okay, so make sure that your power button, that you are not accidentally press your power button. Okay, so you try to press your power button once. Okay, and guys, if you are using any input source like gaming console, Amazon stick, so you simply use the button of their power consoles. So here I'm using my Amazon console, so when I tap it, click it, so it's turned off. When I turn it on, so it's turned on. Okay, so sometime maybe the problem is related to the input resource, so you also try to change it and turn it on. And guys, you also try to change the resource. Guys, for changing the resource, you simply press this button. When you press this, you see there is all the resource that are connected to your TV shows, and you try to connect with him. Okay, and guys, still having the issue, so guys, you try to power cycle your TV. Okay, so guys, for power cycle, you simply go to your power outlet and turn off both of the buttons. Okay, your console, input console, and your TV. Okay, then turn it on back and check it. Okay, and guys, still having the issue, so guys, you try to try to remove all the external devices like HDMI cable, USB connection connected to your TV, and something these device can cause. Sometimes these device cause this issue. Okay, and guys, you also if are performing all the things and you are not able to get the solution, so guys, you simply contact to the support team. For contacting the support team, you take your phone. Okay, in the phone you open the browser, any browser. Okay, and here you simply search the Sony support. Okay, so here as Sony support, you simply search. Okay, so when you tab it, so you are on the page of support page. Okay, then here you tab on Sony TV, Sony support, and guys, here you also select your product like television. So we having the issue with our television and projection, so you select this category. After selecting, here it shows and redirect you to the page, so it show you how to find your model number, and here is the option of contact us. Okay, so this is the way you contact with the support team where you get the help. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information.